Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a split plot design or SPD. We're going to use the package FielDHub. So we run the code library FielDHub to run the package. The function we use to create this design is split underscore plot. So we run this code to see the structure of the function. Now this is the structure of the function split underscore plot. WP is a whole plot. SP is a subplot, and reps is a replicate. Type the default is 2. The default 2 is for RCBD. RCBD means randomized complete block design. L is 1. This is the number of location. We use the default 1 location. And this is plot number, and we also use the default as 101. This is the seed number. And this one is location names. Factor labels. We select true and we keep the default, and this is the data. We also use the default for this design. This is a code we go in to create a subplot design. In that, whole plot has two fields, field 1 and field 2. And the subplot have three different groups, A, B, and C. And the replicates is 2. And the type we use as default number 2, and the plot number we also keep the default. And this is a location name, and L is the number of location. We have only one location, that is field A, and the seed number we choose is 124. We run this code. After we run that code, we can check the information of the design. We run this code. As we can see here, the whole plots have two, field 1 and field 2, and subplots have three groups, A, B, and C. The location number has only one location, and the location names is field A. The plot number start from 101, and the type design is RCBD. The seed number 124. And now we can check the layout of the design. We use the code layout locations. And this is the layout of the design. The first column is plot number, and the second column is replicate. Because we have two replicate, so each field have two replicate. And this is a subplot design in each whole plot. We also can have the design as a table by using the code field book. We run the code and we can see in this design, we can see the first column is ID and the second column is location, and then the third column is plot number, and this is replicate, and this one is a whole plot. As we know, there are only two fields, field 1 and field 2, and the replicate is 2, and this one is subplot. The subplot have three different groups, A, B, and C, and this one is a combination of whole plot and subplot. We also can see the design as a graph by using the code plot SPD, and we select number 1. And this is a split plot design when you see as a graph. As you can see here, this one is field 2 and this one is field 1. And in each field, you can see there are three different groups, and these groups are randomly assigned in each plot. And also you can see here, this one is field 1 and this one is field 2. And this design is RCBD, so the first row is one block and the second row is another block. So that's why you can see in each block have two different fields. If you want to have a different way of arrange, you can select this one as number 2. Now we can run this code. Now you can see the design is arranged differently. This one is 4 multiply 3. That means there are 4 rows and 3 columns. If you want to use this plot for the report, you can export into PNG file, and we going to use this code. PNG is a type file, and then you need to have the path to the folders where you want to save the image. This is the resolution of the image. This is the width, and this is the height, and the unit is centimeter. And then you need to have the plot. And the last code is tab.off. We're going to run this code. Oh, this one is not correct. Name of the design above. That is SPD. You run again. Now we check the image. That is in the download. And this is the image. This is split plot design, and this end for today. I hope the video is useful for you. Thank you for watching.